5 Best Coffee Machines of 2022. A good coffee machine is a game changer. It will make getting out of bed less painful on weekday mornings and upgrade lazy weekend mornings in bed. But it's important to find the machine that best suits your lifestyle. We've reviewed some of the top machines from brands including Smeg, DeLonghi, Labo, and Gaggia. Number 1. DeLonghi Dynamica Plus ECM 370.85 Smart Bean to Cup Machine. The Dynamica Plus constitutes one of the best ways to get it. While still pricey, it's affordable by the standards of bean-to-cup machines. The Dynamica Plus also has smart features, which allow you to check the machine status, adjust settings, save personalized drink settings, and, importantly, make yourself a latte, cappuccino, or espresso remotely with a single tap. Number 2. Breville Barista Max Inbuilt Conical Burr Grinder. The Barista Max is an espresso machine with an inbuilt conical burr grinder. This alone makes it quite unusual, but at this price point, for its quality, it's extremely rare. It comes with an inbuilt milk wand, plus milk jug and tamper. You won't have to shell out for any other coffee-making accessories. Number 3. Smeg Espresso Coffee Maker EC Phone Most Stylish Espresso Machine. The Smeg Espresso Coffee Machine is a manual coffee maker, which means it takes a bit more time and effort to use than a pod machine or an automatic. In our opinion, it's well worth it. This is a beautiful machine that's a pleasure to use, and we recommend it to anyone who wants to explore the art of coffee making at home. Number 4. Gaggia Magenta Plus Best Value Bean to Cup. This is an excellent bean to cup machine that'll give you high quality coffee at the touch of a button. The Magenta Plus offers 5 different beverages, although there is a bit of a catch in that it's not fully automatic. Number 5. Labo Voice Inbuilt Amazon Alexa Speaker. There are few smart coffee machines on the market, and with good reason. As yet, there's no way to go completely hands-free. But this Labo collaboration machine has an ingenious solution to make the most of its smarts. The machine is compact and easy to use, but as there's no frother or milk tank, it makes black coffee only. Let us know which one is the best coffee machine. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.